Today I'm going to unbox and take a look at the Koss KPH30i on-ear headphones. Hey guys, I picked up this pair of headphones from Koss, and since I needed to open it, I thought I'd do an unboxing video, check them out, and share it with you guys if you're interested. All right, what do we have here? So these are on-ear headphones. They're from Koss. The model number is KPH30i. Let's take a look at the box. So it's a limited lifetime warranty. Flip it over to the back side. Now the model is KPH30i, and the K stands for the color. Now this is a charcoal gray color, and they make them in a couple other colors, and the model number, the last letter changes for the color. So let's see what we have here. Well, we got a picture of a guy wearing them. It's probably not doing much for the product there. So get closer to the music you love. The sound of Koss. Dynamic audio drivers deliver full spectrum sound. Built to last, rugged cable system. The perfect fit with patent-pending suspension. One-touch microphone and remote with next track, last track, fast forward, rewind, power, play, and pause. Then down here, just a little bit of marketing propaganda from Koss. Check out the side. Music, gaming, web, movies. The sound of Koss, 3.5 millimeter jack, 4-foot cable, that's 1.2 meters. Frequency response of 15 to 25,000 hertz, 60 ohms, and 101 dB SPL. Top, not much going on there. Bottom, not much going on there. All right, let's get these out of the box. Gonna need to cut some stickers off the side. Let me grab a knife here. All right, wants to push out from the bottom. The box to the side. That out of the plastic. Limited lifetime warranty. A note on environmental protection. So all this for a note on not to throw these in the trash, I guess, when you recycle them. Put that to the side. All right, you can pick these up on Amazon for $30. And like I said, they come in this dark gray color, and they also come in white and blue. Strap, the head strap or headband is white, and then blue accents on the pads and on the inside strap. Those are $30 as well. And it looks like Koss made a special edition of these that were beige. Now these don't look that good to me. I guess that's some sort of retro Koss color if you're into that kind of thing. Now these are pretty small, pretty lightweight. Color, this is gray, light gray. The pads are black. These look a lot like an airline headset to me. You can adjust the size. I have a pretty big head. That looks like that'll fit though. And this cable, I think we said this was 4.5 feet, so that's a nice length. Get this wire tie off here. Now this is a pretty beefy cable here. Much beefier than some other headsets and headphones that I have tried, especially for the size of these headphones. I'm looking to see where they're labeled left and right. Now this should be the left and this should be the right, but I'm not sure why I'm not seeing them labeled anywhere. All right, now a couple other things about these. The headphone cables connect on both the left and the right rather than just having the cable on one side. I think I would prefer if the cable was just on one side rather than have it come out of both earpieces. And then here's the inline remote with the remote control. That looks like one solid piece on top of all the buttons there. And then it's a 3.5 millimeter TRRS jack in the end. Now, just to give you an idea of size, I couldn't tell how big these were when I bought them. Here's a set of Apple earbuds for comparison. Here's a set of Bose QC35 over-ear headphones. So you can see the size difference there. These are really small. Let me try them on. All right, not a bad fit, and I don't have them adjusted as big as they go, so that's pretty good. And let me see how they sound here. Now I have two phones. I have an iPhone 6S here. I have YouTube open to the Tech 128 channel, so I'll just play a little bit of my video and see how they sound. Turning up the volume. Let me check out the remote. All right, that's pause. Play. Activated Siri. All right, so that's working with the iPhone 6S. Now I'll have to try that out with music later to see if the rewind and fast forward and skip track works as well. Now let me try it with my Samsung Galaxy S7 here. Same video. All right, I can hear it. Sounds fine. So the pause is definitely not working here. It's not pausing. All right, it appears that the remote, the pause feature of the remote is not working with the YouTube app on my Samsung Galaxy S7. Now, one of the things I noticed when I checked out the box is there's no made for iPhone logo, the MFI logo telling you that the headset is compliant with the iPhone or iOS devices. And it doesn't say anything about Android or iPhone on the box. I picked these up because I was looking for a pair of lightweight, inexpensive on-ear headphones. I'm going to use these primarily while I'm editing videos. In fact, when I edit this video later, I'll use these. I don't really need them to be super accurate for sound. I just need to be able to hear the audio, but I also don't want to be cut off from the other room noise from people talking or people trying to talk to me while I'm editing. If they're on the desk, I'll also be able to use them for calls and for listening to music when I don't feel like putting on a much larger set of headphones like this set of Bose noise canceling headphones. All right, that's going to be it for this video, and I will talk to you in the next one.